It appears that I'm painting this clay pot, but I'm actually replicating an antique glaze by using acrylic paint. This is acrylic paint you can get at any hobby stores. It only costs about 50 cents. This color is antique parchment, perfect off-white color. And the reason I'm replicating it is it takes forever for salts and minerals to leach out and create this look on its own. So let me show you. You don't have to be too neat. You can just put it on. I have one, here's one I did earlier that's already dry. This is what it looks like when it's painted. And you can see I missed some spots, but I did the inside rim. Now, to get that real antique look, you want to sand off, not all of the paint, but most of it. This is 150 grit sandpaper. You can see it doesn't take much to get down to the clay, and that's what you're looking to do. Look how beautiful that is. Imagine that out in your garden. And then the finishing step is to just protect the pot with a clear coat of sealer.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tite Bond, the Pro's Advantage.